Alright, so the first thing you've got to do is go to Google Sheets and open a new sheet, and you need to start putting in your data. And don't forget to put some headings in. So my data is blocks and blocks per game. And I'm going to start putting the data in. 13, 1, 5. Alright, now I've got all my data in. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a graph of the data, and we're going to build a scatter plot graph, and then we're going to build a line of best fit. So we come up here and we're going to insert a chart. Okay, and it's going to take all of our data and build a chart, but we don't want this chart. We want a different type. So we come over here to chart type and we scroll down, and then we find one that says scatter. So we select the scatter plot. Right, so there's our data right there. Now once we have our chart, we need to make a trend line, and you may have a little editor over here, but if you don't, you just click on the graph that we've made and you pull up the menu here and you say edit chart. I'm going to edit my chart. Everything looks good here. We've got row 1 as headers, and using column A as labels is perfectly fine. But then what I want to do is I want to adjust a couple of things. So I'm going to go to Customize, and I'm going to choose the series right here. I can do some things here. I can change my colors to different things, but what I want is I want a trend line. A line of best fit is a trend line. So I click that and it automatically builds a line for me. It's a linear line. And then the last piece here is under label, I want to use the equation. Yours probably says none, but you say use equation, and then it produces for you an equation for that line. And again, you can change your colors to whatever you would like the lines to be. Your data can be whatever colors you want those to be. And then you're done. Now, be sure that you include your dependent and independent variables on your handout. Make sure you include the line of best fit on your handout, and that's this right here. So you would write it as y equals 0.0887x plus 0.0174 for your data. All right, good luck.